Okay, this is the old 50 millimeter airsoft mortar projectile. I took off the rubber down here, put on this piece of PVC pipe and poured resin in there. It's hardened. So now I can set it down, don't have to worry about it falling and busting off the Schrader valve. Okay, so that's new, different. And then now the projectile uses the white cornstarch powder or colored cornstarch powder. This goes together the same as the 60 millimeters I've got now. I've got this set up with a deal that slips off. So I can just slip it back together. Put that puppy on there. And slide him down nice and tight. She's ready to rock and roll.